All right, let's talk about one of the most famous, or maybe infamous, premium themes in the entire Shopify world, Turbo by Out of the Sandbox. People throw around words like Ferrari to describe it, but is it really the high-performance machine it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. You already know this, but in the world of online stores, speed is literally money. Every single millisecond you can shave off your load time is the difference between making a sale and a customer clicking away forever. It's just that simple. And that's exactly where Turbo roars into the picture. It's got this massive reputation, this nickname as the Ferrari of Shopify themes, because it's built for one thing above all else: pure, blistering speed. But you know, a Ferrari doesn't come cheap, and neither does Turbo. So that leads us to the one question that really matters, the reason we're all here. At $425, is this theme actually worth your money? To figure that out, we're not just going to listen to the marketing hype. No way. We decided to put the claims to the test ourselves. We took their official demo store and ran it through Google PageSpeed Insights to see what the real data says. So, how did this so-called Ferrari actually perform when the rubber hit the road? Let's dive into the actual performance data. The theme promises it's blazing fast for everyone. But what we found was, well, it's a tale of two very, very different experiences. The difference between how it performs on a desktop versus a mobile phone is pretty shocking. Okay, so on a desktop computer, Turbo is an absolute beast. It scored a 97 out of 100. I mean, that is truly elite performance. It shows the code is incredibly clean, super efficient, no complaints there. But then we look at mobile, and the score plummets to a 64 out of 100, which is, well, it's just okay. So what on earth is going on? How can the same theme be so fast in one place and so average in another? And this right here, this chart, it tells the whole story. That massive gap between the near-perfect desktop score and the mediocre mobile score, that's the real puzzle we need to solve. Understanding this gap is everything. And here's the solution to that puzzle. It's so important to get this, that 64 doesn't mean the theme's code is slow. It means the theme is heavy. The demo store is just jam-packed with huge, beautiful images and a ton of features, and all that weight just bogs it down on a weaker mobile connection. And that brings us to the single most important idea in this entire explainer. Think of Turbo as a powerful, finely tuned engine. It has the potential for incredible speed. But you're the driver. Your choices, especially with your images, will ultimately decide how fast it really goes. Okay, so the speed story is a bit complicated, but speed isn't the only reason this thing costs so much. So let's pop the hood and see what that $425 really gets you, because it's basically a whole business toolkit in one package. One of the most unique things about Turbo is these performance modes. Sport is the default setting. It's fast, super stable, and it plays nice with all your other apps. But then you have ludicrous mode. This uses a fancy trick called page preloading that makes your site feel practically instantaneous. The catch? It can sometimes break other apps, so you have to test it really carefully. Now, if you've got a huge catalog of products, this is where Turbo really starts to earn its price tag. It has these giant, multi-column mega menus. You can even stick images right in your navigation. And my favorite part is the predictive search bar. It shows you little pictures of the products as you're typing. It's all about helping customers find what they want faster. Turbo is also just loaded with tools designed to get people to buy. You've got quick shop buttons, a cool slide-out mini cart, those little stock counters that create urgency, all that good stuff. And the key here is that it's all built in. This can easily replace hundreds of dollars a month in separate app fees. That adds up fast. Look, no theme is perfect, and it would be a huge mistake to not talk about the potential problems before you drop this kind of cash. So let's be real and look at the hidden downsides. So we already know ludicrous mode can be tricky with apps. Another big one? Support comes from the theme developer, not Shopify's 24/7 help desk. And like we saw, that amazing mobile speed isn't automatic. It's on you to crunch down your images. And finally, with all these bells and whistles comes a bit of a learning curve. This is not a simple, beginner-friendly theme. So, we've weighed the amazing speed potential, the deep feature set, and all those potential gotchas. Where does that leave us? What's the final verdict? Is the Turbo theme actually right for your store? Here is who Turbo is perfect for: serious, established businesses who see their website as a long-term investment. If you have a ton of products, you get a lot of traffic from desktop users, and you're willing to put in the work to optimize your site, Turbo gives you a powerful foundation that can grow with you for years. On the other hand, who should probably stay away? If you're a brand new store on a shoestring budget, or if you just want a simple set it and forget it kind of theme, then honestly, the price and the complexity of Turbo are probably going to be more of a headache than a help. And that brings us right back to the $1 million or the $425 question. After seeing the real data and understanding the pros and the cons, should you actually invest in the Turbo theme? And at the end of the day, it all comes back to this one idea. The theme gives you an incredible, high-performance engine, truly one of the best out there. But whether you get that top-tier performance, especially on mobile, depends entirely on you being a smart and careful driver. The power is there, but you're the one who has to unlock it.